Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the iPhone down and disconnecting cables. This prevents shorting. Next, examine the lightning port with strong light. Look for moisture, debris, or green corrosion. If you see anything, wait. Do not insert metal. Use a 5 to 10 second burst of compressed air at a distance to displace droplets, or gently tap the phone with the port down to drain. Once done, leave the device powered off and move to controlled drying steps now. You now focus on drying and safe cleaning. This is the critical middle step. Place the phone in a sealed container with silica gel packets or uncooked rice for 6 to 12 hours to absorb moisture. Carefully use a dry, soft-bristled brush or a wooden toothpick to remove visible debris. Be gentle to avoid damaging pins. Make sure to avoid heat above 40 degrees Celsius, hair dryers, and alcohol. These can drive moisture deeper or damage coatings. After drying, inspect again before testing charging. You finish by testing with the original Apple cable and charger. Plug in and watch for the liquid detected alert. If the alert appears, restart the phone, then try resetting network and location settings before any full restore. This can clear software flags. If charging still fails or you see corrosion, back up your data and schedule service with Apple or a certified technician. Hardware repairs may be required. One tip: keep the phone off while transporting to service to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.